didn't put enough zipper on this.
Randy revved it.
Well, I understand that then. Oh yeah.
Lucy changed first. On.
Huh?
Which one is this? Which one is this?
The chocolate factory one.
The factory one. Remember when you're stuffing the chocolate in your mouth?
So the boy's gonna put that bike on the road?
No.
So I got a gift membership to Ancestry.com.
You took it upstairs. If he took it upstairs, they can evict him for that. It's
inside the apartment?
Yes.
Oh.
Her apartment
She'll have a fit. She finds out that that's in the
especially that
apartment.
downstairs neighbor.
Yeah, she's a bitch.
She'll turn him in.
Come on! I'm taping Christmas, guys! This is video recording.
Oh.
Yeah, so?
I seen him take it upstairs and I said, no, he ain't doing that. Yep.
It's something extra we had. So.
I thought they outlawed them little bikes anyway, but apparently they didn't. You still can get them.
Wildly popular with investors and collectors.
What's the hell that say?
I don't know.
It's no wonder the price of this edition is going through the roof. Now you can reserve.
Dane's other presents come yet?
All but one.
Huh?
All but one. He's gonna have to end up getting a late Christmas present.
Betty Boop?
Nope. I got all Betty Boop stuff. He got all Dale Jr. stuff. He got me a pop. He got me a Betty Boop Piggy Bake Bingo. Betty Boop Bingo Piggy Bake. That's a tongue twister.
Yeah, put all bingo.